Is it okay? Sometimes I go outside those wealth lines. People don't maybe don't get it, but I really just want you to understand you can't talk about your economics without talking about your culture. And the fact is that you know what the drugs did to our families and did to us and did to our wealth. But and so we got to confront that. And once you confront those other things, it's easier to go and focus and go get your money. Okay. But I'm gonna show you how to get the money too. But you got to be there with me. All right. Got it? Makes sense? Give me a yes if you agree. All right. So a couple more things. This company has what you call margin pressure because they sell everything so cheap. Their margins are not that big, and when you're expanding, there's a massive investment in terms of the costs and leases and stuff like that, and that could be a big deal. There's also competition. You know, Starbucks is out there, and they're not going to let somebody come in and take over their block that fast. And also, consumers may just shift in terms of their trends. I don't think that's a big risk, honestly. And so really, I'm gonna say Luckin. I like Luckin Coffee. That's what I'm gonna say. I like that stock. The ticker symbol. What was the ticker symbol? I gave it to you earlier. LKNCY. Somebody type LKNCY in the chat for anybody that wants to take a look at it. Not telling you what to do, just telling you what I'm doing. All right. So with that being said, what are some other things to kind of process? Um, First off, let me just say this. This week, Dr. Alicia is coming to our Stock Market Investors Club, and she's going to do a financial healing training on how to identify your financial trauma, how to address it and confront it, and how to fix it. And the reason you want to fix your financial trauma is so that you don't invest as a chicken. You don't jump in scared. You don't sit back and watch. You make your move, you make your move, you make your move. You know that it's not going to be perfect. You know things are going to go wrong. You know that sometimes you're going to make money, sometimes you're going to lose money, but to win the game, you got to get in the game. And you guys know from talking to me that the stock market is the number one wealth builder in the country. So if you want to join us this week in stock market investing class, we're going to meet Tuesday at noon for her training. She'll answer questions and talk to all of you about this. Just go to drboycestockmarket.com, drboycestockmarket.com, and you can find things that way. Also, you can get information from us if you text the word stock to the phone number 87948. So if you haven't done it yet, text stock to 87948. I'll send you some stuff. The US and China are having some issues. So if you're an owner of NVIDIA, be really careful because China's kind of kicking NVIDIA out. And the fact that they're doing that is a little bit burdensome because that does affect NVIDIA's massive earnings power and their market domination. Nvidia is such a beautiful stock that it's almost what they call priced to perfection, which means that if any little thing goes wrong, Nvidia is going to drop like a brick. And so you may want to do some protections, maybe get some puts or sell off some shares or whatever. I just realized today, or not today, this week, that I have too much Nvidia in my portfolio. Nvidia was one of those stocks I bought it when it was like $8 or $9 a share, and I bought a decent number of shares, several hundred shares, and then that investment that was like $5,000 or something turned into $110,000. And so honestly, I probably need to sell off some of my Nvidia anyway. But just keep that in mind.